I just got the text message that the car is done, so let's go to the Tesla service center. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So if you've been following on my channel, you've actually seen a couple of different videos regarding the new car defects and paint issues on my new Tesla Model 3. On my last video, which is only the second part of this series, we actually took my Tesla Model 3 back to Tesla service so that they could use paint cards or paint swabs to figure out which color bumper they should order. Unfortunately, this is the third part of the video and it still hasn't been fixed yet. So where it left off from my last video where they ordered the new bumper according to the correct red color code or paint swatches was the bumper actually took 2 months and my next appointment was actually on December 2nd. Unfortunately, when I took the car on December 2nd, they actually found that the bumper that I waited 2 months or so for was actually damaged here and here. Here are the pictures that I got sent. They went ahead and declined the bumper and ordered another, which they said it would take anywhere from another week or two. The cool thing is on that second visit, I only dropped the car off for a day since they weren't actually able to do any service repairs. I did get a Model S75 loaner, but this time it was from Enterprise. For my troubles, they were able to actually throw in a free alignment on my next service visit when the bumper would eventually arrive. So today's December 11th. I just dropped off the Model 3 yesterday. This time I didn't get a loaner because I didn't need it and I took Uber credits of $100 a day for 2 days. I'm about to head to the Tesla service center to go check out the car and see hopefully my paint defects and issues are finally done. Let's get on our way and up to the Tesla service center. Look at all these Teslas. So this is like the off-site lot where they drop off the Teslas so that you can come pick them up. Ooh, I wonder if they washed the car again. Oh, they didn't. Perfect. I requested them not to wash the car because last time they just added more swirl marks to the car and they stole my parking permit, or the detail department never put it back. So let's take a look at the bumper. So this is exactly where the defect was last time. It seems to be okay now. There was basically paint chipping right at the corner. So now I know that you want to inspect the car very thoroughly before you sign off on it. What do you guys think of this color match between the bumper and the fender? Do you think it's spot on? I think it's pretty okay. We can't necessarily tell too easily because this hood in this fender is dirty where the bumper is basically clean. But it looks pretty decent. Just a little dirty. Just checking on all the edges for the alignment or more paint defects or chipping. Pretty okay. There's a little bit right there, but I'm not sure if I'm being nitpicky. But yeah, overall it looks pretty good. Like I said, they were able to throw in an alignment, so we'll see if the Model 3 drives a little bit differently on when I drive out of here. Besides that, the defect looks to be fixed on this side. I'm not going to raise any hell for the left side, but it does look like there is some sort of weird kind of blemish on this side, but I think I'm just going to leave it alone and kind of just end my paint issues saga. But yeah, it does look like the paint is a little bit off, but I mean, I guess I can't really tell from standing back here. It still looks red, I guess, for the most part. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video, or if you enjoyed my 3-part saga series on my Tesla Model 3 paint issue or new car defect and going through all this process of getting it fixed and everything. But yeah, comment below if you've had similar issues and if you've been successful getting your paint issues fixed or your new car defects fixed. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!